Let's start with how you can set up your campaign on Linkedcamp using LinkedIn Recruiter Lite or Simple Recruiter as well. So here I have the list of I'm searching for head of marketing in New York, and here I got the list of all the different candidates. Now what all you need to do is that copy the URL from the top, go back to Linkedcamp, hit the new campaign button on the top, select flow campaign, then you can put on any title, let's say head of marketing New York. You will paste the URL over here, and then we are going to set up the sequence. So we want to reach out to them with some offers. So let's create a quick flow over here. We would like to send them an email, and then we need to check for if replied. If they have replied, then we would like to send them another email. If they do not reply within 3 days, so it's a, and at the end we will connect it with the goal. So this is a quick simple flow. You can also like have when they reply, you may want to send them a connect request, so you could have these sort of a sequence as well. So here, when clicking over here, you would be putting in like any subject line for the email over here, looking for head of marketing or something like that. Here is the list of all the different placeholder, first name, last name, designation, location, company name, industry, which you can refer in your messaging. And same goes over here as well. Then we are checking for 3 days, that if the person reply, if they do not reply within 3 days, send them another follow-up email with a different after 1 day of checking. Then you also have the option can use email credits. So if there are candidates, so if you have a quick look, there are a few candidates who may require credits to send them an email. Like we talked this one, so this guy requires 1 out of 29 credits I have to send him an email. But if we are looking over here, so it also requires, and let's have a, so it says free to email, so it's free to send an email. If you do not, by default system just send email to all those prospects or candidates who do not require credits. But if you would like to reach out to the prospects who require credits as well, then you can turn this option on. Once all the messaging is set, you can have a look into all the options over here. If you would like to turn on your CRM, you can also do so. I have an integration with HubSpot, so I can on reply, let's say I would like to then add this prospect or candidate into my HubSpot. Once you're done with that, just hit save and start button. What it will do is that first of all it will filter down all the data from here, all the different candidates over here, and then after that it will start executing the sequence one by one. Other than that, if you have let's say you already have an active job, so let's say I have an active job and I would like to, just 1 second, so I have an active job, and for the growth marketer where I would like to reach out to the people who are in my pipeline, or who are like these over here, or who are in my talent pool. So it works in the similar way. Like you can hit the pipeline, on the top you have a URL, copy it, go back again to the Linkedcamp, again paste the URL over here, put on the title, set up your flow again, or you can reuse the existing flow. So let's say I can just drop in quickly email, and then I want to connect it with the goal. I can put on my messaging. And similarly, you have the option for the talent pool as well. If you would like to reach out to this talent pool, which is shown to you for this campaign by LinkedIn, then you can similarly you can go back, you can use this URL over here as well. That's how the recruiter works. And once you're done with that, everything is set up. start reaching out to the prospects. You have the unibox over here. You can get inside your account, like this account, and you will be able to see all the different messaging over here. You can have a conversation over here or apply them directly from here as well. Thank you.